What's going on, man? What's going on with y'all, bro? Yo, if I gotta set this shit up again, it's finna blow me. I just got a new Fire Stick, bro. Basically, man, I'm tired of talking about this situation, but basically, right? My fridge had broke down in the house, so we had to move all the food out, and somebody's finna come pull up to check it out. But it was out for a few days, so I was like, all right, cool. I'm finna buy a fridge for the family and shit. So I went to go pull up and buy a fridge. I'm thinking I can withdraw my Bitcoin off of crypto.com instantly. I took it out and it said 3 to 5 business days. So I'm like, okay, cool. So I can't get it today. The nigga coming in 2 days. So what do I do now? What do I do now? So I started looking up how to use Bitcoin to pay for shit and all type of shit. And I came across a certain app, I'm not gonna say what it is, a certain app where you can convert your Bitcoin. Well, you basically transfer your Bitcoin to the wallet that they provide. Well, you create a wallet there, kind of, but you transfer your Bitcoin over and you can buy gift cards with that shit. So I'm like, I bet. So I do that, which was crazy. I put 1,500 over, and I barely knew about the app. I just read some shit, downloaded it, and transferred my money. Like, that was some dumbass shit. That was a risk for real. And at Lowe's, you could only do 500 for the gift card. So I was like, damn, that's not enough for a fridge. And it was taking mad long for the card to load, bro. So I'm thinking, damn, I just got scammed, bro. Ain't no way. So I just go home, like, fuck it. Charge it to the game, man. It's just a L. I just lost some money. It's cool. I transferred the rest of my money, like, 1,000 back over to Bitcoin. Back over to crypto.com. I'm like, cool. So it didn't work out. But I was like, fuck it, I might as well see. Well, yeah, it ended up going through. And I got, like, the number for the gift card and the PIN. So I was like, okay. So I went to Lowe's today just to see if that shit worked. And that shit worked. So I got a bunch of dumb shit. I ain't gonna lie. Cause I'm finna go back and buy some tools. Cause I still got like 300 on that bitch. But it's like, I don't know what tools to get. I know one day I'm finna move out my mom's crib though. And I'm gonna need some tools like a drill and a fucking screwdriver and all that shit. So I'm finna do that. I really should've just did it today. But it was too many tools, bro. I'm like, what the fuck do I get? I got this knife right here though. Y'all can't really see it. I got this knife right here. And then I got this flashlight that's lighting up my room right now. I'm goofy as hell, bro. And my remote stopped working from Alexa, turn on the light. I'm finna just turn this bitch off. My remote stopped working. Hold on, what if I do both? Is the lighting better? Is that better lighting, bro? I don't know. Anyways, bro. This remote right here stopped working from my fucking, what's it called? It's a Fire Stick remote. So I was like, bet, let me get a new remote. And I had to buy the whole thing for like $50, which ain't that bad. Because I got a $500 gift card, and I'm not finna spend it all on tools and shit. I was trying to find a TV or a monitor in that bitch, but they ain't had none, bro. I wish it was a Best Buy gift card instead. I would have upgraded this whole shit. But I got a whole new Fire Stick. So that's what I'm trying to set up right now. But it's been 4 minutes already. Let's get into what this shit really about. The motherfucking charts. Alright. Let me get this shit out real quick. Oh, that's wrong. I bet. So, I didn't trade today, obviously. I was supposed to look at the charts, but I fucking went back to sleep. I'm not gonna lie, I just went back to sleep. I'm kind of disappointed in myself for that because, yeah, I knew I wasn't gonna trade today, but I still should have watched the charts while this shit was happening. And I already seen the setup on UJ. Guess what UJ did? Just take a guess. What did I say we were gonna do yesterday? Most likely. Drop. That's what we fucking did. We dropped. Wait, hold up. I think I was talking about GJ when I said that, but yeah, we dipped. I can't remember if it was GJ or UJ. Now I need to go check real quick. Hold up. Tau about to hit 300 again after we bounced off this support level. We hit 300. We hit 300 like 4 times. Boom, boom, boom. But we keep, as soon as we get there, we start pushing back down. So I think this time we might push through. But I'm not really, when it comes to crypto, I'm more of a fundamentals type of nigga, bro. I'm not doing this shit off of technicals, for real. With crypto, you really worried about, is the project good? Does it have potential? And then you put money in my opinion. You use technicals for an entry, but really the whole investment part is about the goddamn, you know what I'm saying. Bitcoin pushed up through this level too. I think the bull run starting soon. I don't have shit in Bitcoin anymore, bro. Like I'm up about, I have $1,000 worth. The amount of Bitcoin I do still have is worth $2,000. But I really took everything out of that bitch. Maybe it was GJ that I was talking about. We were finna drop. Let me see. No, GJ looks bullish, bro. I probably said we was finna start pushing up again. I don't fucking remember what I said, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, I think this was the one that I said we were gonna push up. Push down. If we reacted off of a certain level. Oh yeah, I remember now. I remember exactly what. Okay, so yesterday we seen this. Nah. We seen this. Okay, I remember now. Go watch my charting session from yesterday if you're confused, because I know I'm sounding very confusing right now. But basically, yesterday we swept this level. We came up into equilibrium of this range right here. And I was like, okay, cool. Now I'm bearish again. Now I expect us to take this level, which is what we just did today. Beautiful. So I'm finna go over what we did today. But yeah, let's do a proper analysis. So what happened yesterday, we pushed up, we filled this daily bearish imbalance. Tapped into this, premium of this range, and then we continued our push down, right? We also did not tap into that, but we continued back down. And yesterday when we were right here, this is when I was doing my charting session. Oh, goddamn. My charting session was right around here. I was like, okay, we tapped into this order block right here. We fucking filled in this imbalance. I expect us to push down now. Right? Equilibrium shit, I expect us to drop down now. But I also said we might push up and take out these highs if we get a reaction off of this sell side level being swept right here. Y'all gotta remember now. Now I remember what I was talking about now. And we actually closed below the low after all this displacement, which is cool. But we had a strong push back up, and then we took out this high, and then we took out this high. And that's when we got the move down. But yeah, I was bearish today. And the beautiful thing is, there was a setup. So let's mark out our areas. That's open. That's the start of London session. This is the end of London session. This is London high. This is London low. This is midnight open. Boom. So what did we do today? Well, first off, let's mark out my open as well. New York session. I'm gonna do how ICT do it. This isn't New York session, but this is the kill zone right here. Let's see, what do I make it? I'm gonna do orange. I'm gonna make this 2. But I do not want to go to work tomorrow. I can't wait till I can quit my job, bro. Oh, I don't even need to do that. Am I doing too much? I'm sorry. Just go ahead and skip this part of the video. Well, I'm done now, so. See, I'm done. All right. I don't even want this here. I'll just mark out. I really just want to see the start of my session, to be honest. So we came down. We didn't really sweep anything, but we started pushing up real slow. This is the open of my zone. Of my session, bro. As soon as we fucking open, well, right before we open, what do? We sweep London highs, bang. Where are we? Well, first off, what is our bearish bias? I haven't explained Judas swing completely. I don't know if I did in my, I might have done it in one of my live trading videos, but I really don't fucking know. I can't remember. Basically, I'm gonna do it real quick. The Judas swing is based off of, well, first off, it's an ICT concept, but what exactly is it? Okay, so let's say we have a bearish bias for the day. We expect the next candle on the daily chart to be bearish. What do we, like, how is that candle going to form? Well, basically what ICT says is we're going to have the open, right? We're going to have this is where price opens at. Then we're going to have a short move up above that opening price. That right there is the Judas swing. Then we're going to have a strong move down. Since we're bearish, this is the real move. We're going to have a strong move down. And then we're going to close somewhere above the move down. Around the low of the day, right? So we're going to open. We're going to have the high of the day. We're going to have a strong move down. We're going to have the low of the day. All right, that's the Judas swing is this right here. This right here is the Judas swing. When we move up above it. Now, what about for bullish price action? Well, if we expect the day to be bullish, we expect to open a push down below where price is. The real move up. And then it close somewhere near the high. Oops, I'm doing too much. How do you delete this part? Fuck it, it doesn't matter. Because I'm a king. Look at that, I'm so smart. But yeah, the Judas swing is essentially the fake move down. It ain't even really a fake move. It's just part of the move. It's just part of the daily range. So this is what you would call a range. Or what's it called? A bar chart. This is based off of the bars, right? So you can see it right here. And if you watch the 2022 mentorship, he'll really go into it. Just take one of these candles on. But bearish, right? Right here we open that little. Let me get these lines out the way. It's an 830 candle, but we open right here. Boom. Then we had a short move up, a strong move down, move back up and close around the low on a bearish candle. So what was I for today? I was bearish, right? I told y'all yesterday that I was bearish. I said we could go either way, which is always true. 100% of the time, we could always go either way. But overall, I was bearish. What do we do? Open right here, small move above, push down, and then a close near the low, right? Let's go back down to the 5 minutes. Is that where we were at? Were we at the 5 minute or the 15? I don't know, but it doesn't fucking matter. Let's go to the 15 real quick. Now back to the 5. So, literally at goddamn 7:45, at 7:55, 5 minutes before we open, what did we do? We come up and we sweep London highs. First off, we're above. Prices open at midnight. So all you have to do, visualize this price right here. This is where we open. Visualize that as the open. That is this. This is what the open is. So when we're above this line, when we're above the price, we're right here. And we know we're bearish on the day, and now we're above price. So we know soon we're gonna have a push lower. Alright. So we come above price. We sweep a high. That's another key part. When it comes to ICT is big on liquidity, obviously. Right? So he'll tell you price only moves for 3 different reasons. The first reason, to grab liquidity, to take out liquidity, because liquidity moves the markets. When I say buy side, I'm talking about buy side liquidity. Why is it called buy-side liquidity? Because you see this down move right here? That means people went short, right? Actually, let's use a sweep for an example. I really want to use relative equal highs. Is this relative equal? I guess it doesn't really matter, but essentially when you get a swing high like this and you see all this movement down, you know people sold in this area. Where did they put their stop loss? Where would you put your stop loss? Well, you might not put it in the same place, but people usually put their stop losses above old highs. That's a safe place to put your stop, right? Especially when you're selling. So let's say you selling right there, you got your stop up here. Well, depending on where you're targeting, let's say we didn't hit your target, so you're still in this position. We come up and we get stopped out. Well, when you're in a sell position, when you're shorting, your stop loss is just a buy order. That's all it is. In order to get out of a sell position, you have to buy back. Your stop loss is a buy order above where your entry was. So you're like, okay, cool. If price goes against me, I'm just going to buy right here for a loss. I'm going to buy the market back for a loss, right? So you have a buy stop right here. That's why it's called buy-side liquidity. Why is it called liquidity? Because when you get stopped out, you're buying the market back. You're buying. You feel me? So another order goes in the opposite way. Why do they want to stop people out? Well, if there's more buyers in the market and they want to go down, now they have people going against them. The market is a zero-sum game, meaning somebody's always going to lose, somebody's always going to win. You cannot get into a position unless somebody is selling. Okay, you can't get into a long position unless there's a sell order at the place that you want to buy. You have to fill in order to get in. Your order has to get filled. If you're trying to buy the market, there needs to be a seller at the price that you're trying to buy at, right? That's what that means. Zero-sum game. A winner and a loser. So, if they stop these people out and all these orders turn, like let's say 1 million people have their stops right here. Because remember, Forex trades about $1 trillion or some crazy shit. It might be more than $1 trillion. Maybe tens of trillions every single day. Right? So there's a lot of people in the markets. There's a lot of money in the markets. A lot of liquidity in the markets. So let's say you get stopped out, right? Now there's hella buy orders, hella liquidity in the market, right? Now they can sell. And when they sell, they have so many people going against them now that they can fill more orders in at higher prices. So they're pushing price down. And now they're selling. Like let's say they stop out 100 people right here. This is just an example. Now at 148.317, there are buy orders in. So when they sell, they can fill in those orders. They can fill 100 of their sell orders at 148.317. Versus if they never stop those people out, they have nobody to go against them, and now their orders, they fill less orders in at less prices, meaning price will move down faster. Y'all understand? If you have 1 million orders at if you have 1 million buy orders at 148.317, in order to get the market to go lower, you have to fill all of those orders. Right? All of the 1,000 orders at this price has to be filled. That means they get to sell so many more of their they get to enter so many more sell positions at a higher price. You want to sell high and buy low. They get to fill more sell orders at a higher price. That's what they want, right? If they don't stop these people out and there's nobody here, let's just make the contrast very easy to understand. Let's say there's only one buy order at 148.317. That means they can only sell one position there. The next position is going to be 148.316. So now they're selling at a lower price. They only got to fill one order at that good price. Like imagine Imagine you could buy a goddamn your favorite candy bar for $1. Let's say there's 100 people selling your candy bar for $100. I mean $1. 100 people selling your favorite candy for $1. And you could buy all of them and it only costs $100 in total. If you buy 100, right? But let's say there's one person selling for $1, and then the next person selling for $2, and the next person selling for $3. You see what I'm saying? If you bought 100 and we were going up like that, it would be a significantly higher amount of money that you're paying for the same amount of candy. So when they stop people out, they can fill their orders at a better price and make more money. So, yeah. So that's part of the Judas swing. We assume we're gonna trade above the opening price on bearish days specifically. We're gonna trade above the opening price. We're gonna stop people out, which is exactly what we did. And then all we're looking for is our model now. We have everything we want to see. London session just got stopped out. London session highs just got swept. We're above the opening price. Now we're on the 5-minute time frame. We see this strong push down. This is a strong move. There's no bullish retracements in this area. It's all bearish. We have a gap right here. We break below this low. Close below it specifically. Not just break, we close below this low. What is that? That's a market structure shift, a break of structure. I don't know if ICT calls those things two different things, but to me it's the same shit. Market structure shift. Now what do we want to see? A pullback into the only imbalance that we have. Boom. Get in right when we tap it. Put your stop above this fair value gap candle's high. Your first target, the low-hanging fruit, is already a 1 to 3. That's already a 1 to 3. If you take equilibrium of this range, that's really the first low. And yeah, I ain't gonna lie. But since we're bearish, this is the first low under this price. But we're bearish. We expect a big move now. You could really target these lows as well. London low. When we take out London high and we're bearish, we could expect London lows to get taken out too. That could have been our second and final target. And then we could take something off in here if we wanted to. Like maybe in this fair value gap. So this would be TP1. Just because it's already a 1 to 3, you might as well take some shit off there. Doesn't make sense not to. That's TP1. I don't know why I feel out of breath today. Maybe it's because I ate McDonald's, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I had 2 double cheeseburgers and a McChicken for lunch, bro. Don't judge me, though, bro. But yeah, look. So that's a 1 to 3. Bang. 1 to 4 and 1 to 6. And that shit all got hit relatively quickly. But this is a beautiful setup. This is exactly what you want to see. Time is aligning. When do we tap into here? 9:15. Literally right before the open. 5 minutes before the open, we sweep it. This is the type of setup that makes me wish I would have traded today. Because why I ain't get this setup on fucking Wednesday or Thursday, I mean. Oh, man, I really want to post that first video because I took a nice-ass sell position. I took a nice-ass short on UJ. And I was talking to Price while she was moving this shit. I was like, yeah, just go ahead and hit my shit. We was in the consolidation. I told her, go and hit my TP, bro. I know you want to do that shit. Telling her exactly what to do. She did it, bro. On camera, man. I want to post that shit so bad, but yeah, I can't post it. All y'all seen was 2 L's, bro. Just wait. Next week is NFP week, so I'm finna I don't know what I'm gonna do. I literally just got my $2,000 account too. Or just added $2,000 to my account. So I don't know if I should even risk anything, bro. I'm probably gonna trade Monday and Tuesday And then Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, I'm going to let the market do its thing, I think. But I don't know. We're going to see. I'm not trading on the NFP days, which is Wednesday and Friday. I don't know if I'm going to trade on Thursday or not. So hopefully I can catch a dub for y'all on Monday or Tuesday. But yeah, this is just a beautiful setup, bro. It's like, damn, I wish I traded today. Like, damn. Literally, and it was exactly what I expected, bro. Like last night, I expected lower prices. Like, price was so clear here. So fucking clear. You can't ask for a better setup, bro. You can't ask for better price action. This is textbook, bro. We above the midnight open on a day that we expect to be bearish right before New York session opens. We sweep London highs. We get displacement to the downside, breaking and closing below this swing low. We retrace slowly. There's no imbalances in this area. None. We slowly retrace into this fair value gap on the 5-minute, literally the only one, all the way up here, deep into discount. Deep into the premium, right? And then we just sell off straight to our target, bro. Damn near no drawdown, bro. Sell off straight to our target. And then some. And then we just fucking dipped. And I told y'all this was, I told y'all I wanted to see this low get hit today. This was my next draw on liquidity, and we hit it to the tick right there. Bro, you literally cannot ask for a sexier setup, bro. Like, this shit was literally fucking perfect. So beautiful. At least we know our strategy is working, right? That's all that matters, huh? Let's go to GJ. What am I looking for right now? Oh, I'm looking for you. You weren't there. Let's see what the fuck GJ got going. So going into the day, I'm pretty sure I was bullish on GJ though. So I will take my L on that. Cause we had this. We were already in an uptrend, remember? I actually told y'all specifically, right? Hold on, let me do this real quick. I told y'all specifically, we're in an uptrend on the higher time frames. Boom. Look at this, bro. Look at this spike. This shit is fucking crazy as fuck. Oh my God, just fucking pushing up hard as hell. That shit is really crazy to me. Wait, hold on. Let's take a deeper look at this shit real quick. This is interesting. Strong push-up, consolidation. Strong push-up, consolidation. Strong push-up, consolidation. What are we in right now? After this strong push-up, we could start consolidating a little bit. Oh, October was some bullshit. Around in this area, I was not trading GJ at all. I didn't start trading GJ again until like November, I think. But yeah. Anyways, so yeah, we've been pushing up like a motherfucker, right? We're pushing up like a motherfucker. We came back down. We filled this daily imbalance, pushed up. We never broke any lows on this push down. So we're still bullish. Then when we push up, we break above this high. This is what I told y'all yesterday. Imbalance, close above the high. Right? Then we retrace down into here. Where is that? Discount. We tap into it and reject like this. All of this, everything I just said, made me bullish on the day. But we closed bearish. So Yeah, but we did sweep this, come down. But like I said, we sweat. Okay, real quick, I'm kind of getting off track because it just popped into my head. But I don't expect us to come into equilibrium every single time we retrace. I really only expect us to come to equilibrium after we sweep something. So like right here, boom, we sweep these highs, we get a push down. Once I start seeing us pushing back down and closing below old lows, that's when I mark out equilibrium. And I'm like, okay, we're probably gonna at least come down to the 50% mark. But if we just in a random ass area, like if we were right here and we start pushing back down, I'm not gonna mark out equilibrium. We probably just gonna react to like a quick fair value gap and some sell side. Like if we started coming back down right here, I would expect us to react to this imbalance, take out these lows, and then keep pushing up to take out this. Once we take out this and we start pushing back down again, that's when I expect equilibrium. But yeah, we came back into this daily. We swept these lows. We were in a discount while the overall trend is bullish. What do I expect? A push up. Now, why didn't we push up? Well, I'm asking myself that, by the way. I really don't know why. But we can see we swept these lows. We swept these lows. Came up. Broke above this swing high. Created this 4-hour imbalance. That's a bullish imbalance. We did kind of respect it. We started to push up some more, but we failed to take out this high. Why did we fail out? Why did we fail to take out that high? I mean, we did take out this high. But then we came back into here and failed that. And that's obviously in equilibrium. So why did we push down right here? I don't know. I wouldn't expect this at all while I was watching GJ. If I was watching this shit today, I would not expect this at all. Except maybe the fact that UJ was pushing down, maybe that would help me like understand it, but I don't. In terms of structure, especially on the higher time frames, I thought we would be bullish today, so I don't know why we did this. Just keep it 110 with y'all. Failing to take highs, that shows weakness. But I don't know. That's weird. I guess that's not really much of an analysis on GJ, but I don't really understand what I'm looking at. I'm just gonna keep it 100. I don't know why we moved the way we moved today on GJ. So I'm not gonna pretend to try and make up some shit for y'all. Like, I really just don't know. I don't understand. My chart is a little fucked though. That shit has to be like pulled towards me in order for the shit to charge my computer. Let's go to GU. I love GU. Were we bullish on GU today? I cannot remember, but I will remember once I see this. Oh yeah. What did I say about equilibrium? But I mean, we took out these highs. But is that a sweep? That ain't no sweep, bro. We came up close way above it and created an imbalance. And I was talking about how this was my draw, I believe. I don't know if I talked about that or not, but that is my draw right now. These highs. For sure. And possibly these highs, because that's fucking relative equal highs. And as you can see, I don't think that's filled. Yeah, this imbalance hasn't been filled completely yet either. You can see that tiny little baby ass gap. I'll show y'all. That tiny little gap that still exists. So this is a possible draw as well. Let's look at the weekly real quick. Yeah. But we got this high. The weekly is going crazy. We're going to the upside like a motherfucker, boy. But yeah, we filled this imbalance yesterday. Oh, I didn't mark out the shit for GJ, but it's all good. Damn. My bad for all the noise. Yeah, we filled this shit. We came down and swept these lows. Did we sweep these lows? Nah, not quite. Regardless, we still swept these lows. Let's scale in a little bit. So these relative equal lows, a retracement in the equilibrium would have been nice. But it wasn't necessary because we did not sweep any imbalance. We did not sweep any liquidity pool, any buy side or sell side level. So I didn't really need that. We kind of accumulate in this area. This does not need to be here anymore. What? We came down and swept these lows too a little bit. Alright, let's mark this shit out real quick. Took out London. London sell side got taken. Again, we were bullish today. I can't even say that for real because I didn't look at the charts at all. So I don't know how I would have interpreted it. Like after you see what price did on a certain day, it's easy to go back and say, yeah, I was bullish today. I would have been bullish. Yesterday, I don't even know if I said anything about being bullish or bearish, but I might have. But since I don't remember, I'm not just going to say, yeah, I would have been bullish because I really don't know if I would have. But obviously, when you get to, even though I think I'm being objective and I'm saying, yeah, I would have been bullish today, I already seen this move, so it's easy to be influenced by this subconsciously without realizing. But regardless, I'm kind of getting off track. So what did we do here? Okay, perfect. This was at 9:35. This was pretty late in the day. And we had news at 10 and then Powell speaking at 11. And 11 o'clock is right here. That's really what started the move. It's Powell. I wonder what he said today. Wait, let's look at interest rates real quick. If they changed. Wait, where am I? Oh, we spoke at 2 p.m. too? The fuck? This nigga was going off, yo. A roundtable discussion at Spelman College. Oh, that's 5. That's in my city. Navigating pathways to economic mobility. What? That doesn't even. Hold up. Due to participate in a fireside chat titled Navigating Pathways to Economic Mobility. That doesn't even sound like he's talking about the country for real. Powell's dovish comments send everything soaring. Gold hits all-time high as US dollar plummets. Good afternoon. Today, 2 so-called speeches of Powell were on the calendar. Is there a source for more information? Okay, let me read this real quick. How long are you speaking? Where are you speaking? Press conferences. It says today it showed exactly where he was speaking. Always on YouTube, but what about the speeches? Basic overview of the Fed mandates and central banking. No insights on rates. Agreed, nothing to see here. Powell's dovish comments and everything so on. Okay. Well, yeah, this fucking took off. That's a fact. What about 2 o'clock? My bad. Nothing really, to be honest. I still want to know exactly what he said. But let's see. Oh yeah, this is 8 o'clock. So let's say we were bullish on the day, which is easy to say again, like I said, but this was an open. We did come up above it. Then we came back down below it. What did we do when we came below it? I just wanted to see what this was. What did we do when we came below it? We swept London sell side. We swept these lows too. So we swept sell side. What do we do after that? We get this strong ass move. This is at 10 o'clock too. So we swept. Hold up. That's actually huge, bro. This is huge. All right, think about this, right? What time is news? What time is the first news event? Let's look. I already know, but I don't know if y'all seen it. The first news event today for USD, 10 a.m. High impact news. We don't care about these yellow folders. I don't even know why they're here. The first high impact news event was at 10 a.m. Again, let's say we're bullish on the day because that's a fair assessment of price action. What do? We come below the midnight open. Okay, that's check number 1. That's check number 1. Next, we sweep London sell side and then sweep another low. That's literally at 9:40, 20 minutes before high impact news comes. So what the fuck do you think we about to do? We just swept sell side, and we're below the midnight open, and we're bearish for the day. What do you think we're gonna do during news? We're gonna fucking shoot up. We're gonna shoot the fuck up. So we shot up during news, created this imbalance, broke above this high, above this high, above these highs. We didn't close above these, but we closed above these. And right here, that's really all you need. That's a market structure shift right there. That's a swing high. So we break above a swing high with displacement. This is obviously a move that shows energy. What do? I mean, we kind of fuck around. We come back down into it. Would I take this? I don't know. My bad. I just want to get this shit as close to the entry as possible. Boom. Where do we put our stop? If y'all seen the 2022 mentorship, we put it below, either below candle number 2 in the 3 pattern zone, or we put it below the first candle. Where do we target? The highs that are above equilibrium. Okay. So we could target right here. But this area is a little bit better because we have relative equal highs. Right here. 1, 2, 3 relative equal highs. This is a better area. And if you look on the 15-minute, we have imbalances right here. How did I know that? I don't really know. Sometimes I just see price action and I can tell. But also we see all these imbalances right here. So it wasn't nothing hard to decipher. We have a fair value gap right here. Again, higher time frame imbalance. So we expect we're probably going to push up here. And we're bullish on the day anyways. And we're below the midnight open. So this would not be a bad target. And that's a 1 to 2.3. And if you put your stop down here, a little bit more aggressive, that's a 1 to 3.1. So that's setup number 2 on 2 pairs for the day. But this is literally right before he starts talking, so that's a risk. If this was a regular day, I would probably take this, and I'd probably take UJ as well, but this was not a regular day. And we could leave a runner to target London buy side because on a bullish day when we just swept sell side and we were below midnight open, we're probably going to take, specifically London sell side is what we swept. We're probably going to take London buy side. Oh yeah, let's look at the daily high from yesterday because look right here. That's where we close. The daily highs are very they're magnetic. I was watching the market maker. I don't know if he said it in the core content month 1 course or if he said it in the market maker series. Either way, he said you find your key levels on the monthly, weekly, daily, and 4-hour charts. 4 hours less of a key level area time frame. And the higher you go up, the more the levels matter, because banks trade with hella volume, so they look at the higher time frames. That's what he said at least. So that's a daily high. We literally come up, we take that level, and we never really go any more above that at all. Like, look, this level, how many pips is that? We never go more than 5 pips above it. We never hit 6 pips above it, and then we close in this area, bro. So that's beautiful, if you ask me. That's a 1 to 9. Now, would I have taken this? Probably not. I mean, would I have targeted this high? Probably not. I probably literally would have took all of my profits right here and maybe left a runner to here. But I don't usually set multiple take profits, but that's really because I'm on a $100 account, so I'm really not trading nothing. But on this $2,000 account, yeah, I'm probably gonna start taking multiple targets, or leaving like 1 or 2 positions open for a runner. But that's trade number 2. All right, let's go. Oh, that's trade number 2 on 3 pairs, because I already looked at GJ. I didn't really go deep into it, but that's all right. And look at this shit. Gold went crazy today. Gold went crazy today, boy. And look at that. We took out, did we take this out? Okay. Whoa, what the fuck? Yo, look at this shit. I mean, this is probably a bigger move than this, but that is still crazy. I didn't expect us to take the weekly target out that fucking fast. This was my weekly buy side level that I was looking at. We took it out in fucking 1 day. How much did we move today, bro? What? 729.35 pips in 1 fucking day. Look, we were bullish the whole day on GU. We had that tiny little wick down. Oh my God. I said on GU on gold. Wow. Oh, this is a week. This is the week. What the fuck am I doing? Okay, let's see. What did we do today? Okay, never mind. That's not that big of a move, bro. I was on the weekly talking about we moved 1,000 pips in a fucking day. Cap. But we still moved about 300-400 pips in a day, which is more than half of the move the whole week. So half of the pips that we gained this week was on 1 single day. Okay, on the daily, let's see real quick. Okay, see right here, we took out this buy side level. I probably would have expected more of a retracement. Yeah, I would have expected us to close this gap and then move up, but we did tap into it at least. And then we swept these lows that we talked about yesterday. We talked about this sweep yesterday. Tapped into this 4-hour imbalance. But hey, we did. Oh, no, we didn't. Wait, did we? No, we didn't. But it's okay. We tapped into this imbalance. Gold isn't like a retracing ass pair anyways. Like, well, I guess you would call it a commodity, not really a pair. But it's gold versus USD. This shit just took off today, bro. Now, where is 8 o'clock? Alright. We did have a Judas swing today, though. We still had a Judas swing. As you can see, this is prices open. Even though the wick was tiny. Wait, hold up. Was that wick on the weekly? Hold up. I gotta check that again real quick. Okay, cool. Yeah. So we did have a little Judas swing today. Bless me. I know y'all said bless you. I appreciate it. But it looks like we took out these relative equal lows. On the sell side, Ben got taken, all that. So we took out all these lows. Took out these stacked ass lows. Did we take out this? Nah, we ain't take this out. Yeah, but that's alright. Took out these relative equal lows. This might be an imbalance on the higher time frame. Nope, I don't think it is. My bad. I'll be like, what the fuck am I about to call this shit? But yeah, so right before again. Now I probably would have been bearish on this day, because I was looking for a further retracement, but we were bullish on the day, right? It doesn't matter what I would have thought. What did we do today? We were bullish. Okay, cool. So on the bullish day, what did we do? This is just showing you that this shit works. It doesn't matter what I would have thought. It's about what actually happened. So we were bullish today. What did we do on a bullish day? Okay. We opened. We did trade above it, but then we came down right before the open. You can't make this shit up, bro. Right before New York opens, we sweep a nice sell side level. I'm not going to call it major. This would have been a major sell side level if we swept that. But look at all these stacked ass lows. This is an area of accumulation, of consolidation. Accumulation as in accumulating orders. It's an area of consolidation where prices just ranging. We got 1, 2, 3. We got all these stacked lows right here. Really, 1, 2, 3, 4. They're all relatively equal. We sweep that right at 7:45, and then we instantly start to come back up. We didn't trade below here. Like the next candle instantly starts coming back up. That's a sweep. We didn't come down further. We didn't get no displacement below this level. We didn't start fucking around down here. We literally just came back up. Now we didn't come back up with any displacement. We have no fair value gaps, but we came back up. Then we come back down. We come up, we have a little fair value gap here, but that's really nothing. Then we push up and we close above this high with a strong movement. Okay, let's scale down to see if we got any entries in here. None on the 4, none on the 3, none on the 2. None on the 1. So we really didn't get any entries. We just pushed up. Pushed up like crazy. Just kept going. What is this right here? I don't know what that is. I don't think it's important for right now. But we never took out this level, and we retraced down into here after creating this low. So this is the new range from this low to this high. I wouldn't have taken this, but this is valid. This is a discount fair value gap in a bullish market. We have yet to take this buy side level, this peak high, which is also London buy side. Interesting, right? We come back down. Boom. Stop right there. Targeting this high. It's pretty obvious that we're going to hit this high after this big ass move and after this sell side sweep, after we tap back into this, I think it's a daily bullish imbalance, and after we were trading below the midnight open. Like when gold's telling you we moving up, fuck the retracement that you thought about before. Fuck that equilibrium shit. Nah, we going up. Alright, it's very obvious that this is now the draw on liquidity. These are my favorite fucking setups. When we come so close to the draw and it's very clear, and then we retrace it to an imbalance. Because it's like, okay, we going up, bro. It's very, very obvious and easy to read. But that's a 1 to 2 right there. Man, one of my friends was like, you can't catch a 1 to 2 every day. I'm like, nigga, what? Yes, you can. You can catch a 1 to 2 every single day. He believes in taking profits at 1 to 1, which is cool. That works for him. But he thinks I'm stupid for not taking profits at 1 to 1. But that's not part of my plan, bro. I'm not that type of trader. This is what I like. So yeah, we damn, that's a 54 pip move. God damn. See, gold just be moving. That shit is wild. But yeah, what time did this happen? At 10 o'clock. That's this candle. We come back down, tap into it at 10:15, and we hit our target at 10:20 in 5 minutes. Our trade literally would have looked like this. Like that ass. 5 minutes you catch it. 2.3. On my little baby ass account, that would have been like $50. But yeah, that would be our first target. Maybe our only target, to be honest. My only target. I don't know about y'all. Yesterday's high was right there too. That shit already got blown through. Who would have expected this though? I don't know. That's wild. Let me go back down. I would never catch this much. Well, I don't want to limit myself and say never, but that's 309 pips. 1 to 13. Yeah, this would have been my only target though. 1 to 2.3. And yeah, that's really all she wrote on gold. That's a wild ass day, man. Fucking Bitcoin hit like 39,000 earlier today. We starting to move up. And I really think we in a bull market now for crypto. Hopefully this shit can take off and go to like 2 bands or some shit. And I can be up like 50K. That would be lit. I don't know how I'm gonna take profits with this bitch yet. I think once it hits like 1,000, I'm gonna take out my investment amount, which is 5,000. A little over 5,000. I'm probably gonna take out 5,000 and then let the rest run to 2,000, which is 10x my bread. And then I'm gonna take out half of my position. And then I'm gonna just let the rest ride, I guess. I really don't know. It's hard for me to take profits in crypto with something that has no previous highs. Because in Forex, you just take profits at certain key levels, certain highs. But this project is literally barely over a year old. Oh, it's not even a year. It came out February 2023. And now it's November 2023. I have no idea where I'm going to take profits here. I really don't know. But I feel like I was going to talk about something else today. We already went through all the pairs, though. Let's look at news for next week and just talk about that real quick. I really don't understand. Okay. What are you doing? Slow ass boy. Alright, so we got 2 news events at 10 a.m. on Tuesday. We have nothing on Monday. Monday and Tuesday look fine. I really get off the charts at 10 a.m., so this isn't going to affect me too much. If I'm in a trade, I'll probably just move my stop to break even before 10 a.m. Or cut a loss or whatever. Now, if I'm in drawdown, when 10 a.m. comes and I'm in the trade, I'm just gonna let that shit play out because worst comes to worst, I get stopped out. I'm already in drawdown. Best case scenario, it fucking shoots up quick as hell and hits my TP. Wednesday, of course, we have NFP. I'm not trading Wednesday whatsoever. Thursday, we have unemployment claims at 8:30. I don't know if I'm gonna trade Thursday because we got NFP the next day too, and Thursday might just be like after a big move on Wednesday, we might just fuck around on Thursday and then big move on Friday. Next week after that, damn, CPI and PPI. That's a goddamn shame. And FOMC. This is a shitty week too. Monday is fine. Thursday and Friday are fine. Nah, there's hella news on Friday. 8:30, 9:15, and 9:45. That's fucking ass. Hella news on Thursday too, but it's all at 8:30. So, damn. And that's the middle of December, and then after that, it's like, there's really no reason to be in this bitch no more, cause then look at this shit. It's fucking Christmas, it's the end of the year. This is my birthday right here. Oh, I'm trading on my birthday. Even if I don't take a trade, I'm finna watch the charts and make a little birthday vid, bro. And then fuck it. I'm probably gonna take I'm probably gonna take this week off. In terms of actually putting a trade on, because it's NFP week. It's the first week of the new year. I'm gonna let the market open up and do its thing. And then boom, we back to it the next week. CPI and PPI, but there's no news Wednesday, no news Tuesday, no news Monday, no news, yeah, that's it. Cool. I think that's it. So y'all can get the fuck off the video if y'all want. I'm about to try and transfer the rest of my bread over from Bitcoin, cause it's at $2,000. Maybe I should let it hit 40K and then withdraw it, cause then I could maybe get my account to like 4,500. I really did not expect to be doing this so soon, bro. Withdrawing my money and shit. Oh, this is Henko trade. I'm tripping. I didn't mean to do that. I meant to do this. Do that right there. How long have I been recording, man? 1 hour and 13 minutes. I'm not a robot. Oh, it did open up. I ain't gonna lie, that MC4 shit just never fails to irritate me. Did y'all trade today? I ain't gonna lie. I should have watched the markets. I honestly am disappointed in myself. I kind of feel, stop fucking with me, man. Alright, whatever. We're gonna wait for the next one to pop up then. Maybe I shouldn't have hit the space. Maybe that's a problem. But I woke up and I asked Alexa what time it was. First off, I didn't go to the gym this morning. I went after school. After work. I be needing to go before that shit, bro, because whenever I go to the gym in the morning, which is what I usually do, my day just aligns perfectly and everything is smooth. When I skip the gym in the morning and I go back to sleep, then I usually wake up late, or I wake up right before the market opens or some stupid shit. And then I'm just off. The whole day is somewhat off. Or I'll wake up after the market's even, like after my session's over, and then I go to work late, or all type of shit. So it's always good for me to start off my day right. Today, I really was off no sleep. No, I went to sleep at 1 or 2. So I was off 2 or 3 hours of sleep, which is plenty for me. That reminds me, I got this supplement I need to go grab real quick. I'm finna just end the video right here, cause there's no reason to keep y'all here for so long. And niggas be seeing that fucking 2-3 hour fucking video, and they're like, what the fuck? Nobody's clicking on that shit. And I'm an unknown ass nigga. I'm not no known trader, bro. But hopefully these videos are relatable to y'all, bro. I know it's gonna be some people that's in the same position as me. They young like me, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. They working a job. They living with their parents. They just trying to make it. They got a small ass account. And they just like me. Maybe they like going to the gym. Maybe they like boxing, all that shit. You feel me? Those are the people I'm trying to do this shit for. Like, we in this shit together, bro. Keep going. Stay consistent. Stay disciplined. And this YouTube shit about to help me stay disciplined too and stay on my shit, because I'm finna live trade every single day, and I'm probably gonna fucking post it every single day. And that's good for YouTube, consistently posting every day, because I trade every day, bro. So I'll probably make a post every day naturally. And I'll probably do a charting session video every day too. So that's 2 videos a day, bro. You know what I'm saying? That's good for the algorithm. Finna get a webcam, upgrade my shit so it's gonna look a little bit better. Probably gonna get a pop filter on here too. It's supposed to have one built in, but I've been listening to the audio and I don't think it does. Probably gonna get a pop filter or a wind filter, put that shit on here. And then after that, I'll probably get a monitor too at some point. But all that pop filter, the monitor, the webcam, it all has to come from trading profits. And y'all finna see me live trade. So if I get a new camera and y'all know I just took 3 L's, I ain't win this week, then y'all know I'm bullshitting. So get on my ass, bro. I think that's really it, man. I'm finna catch y'all later. I hope y'all had a good trading week. I was unprofitable this week. I took a dub, but it was only for like $4, and I lost $6. So I'm down $2 on the week, but I'm still up crazy on the month because of that stupid shit that I did. But yeah, man. That's all I got. Y'all have a good one, bro.